Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 8 latest defense updates of 11th and 12th January together. Number 1. Starting 4th assembly line for Tejas Mk1A. HAL is gearing up to ramp up the production of the Tejas Mk1A fighter jet, as the Indian Air Force has placed an order for an additional 97 units of the aircraft. To meet the increasing demand and bolster the production capacity, HAL has announced plans to establish a 4th assembly line dedicated to the Tejas Mk1A. This new line will be set up at HAL's Nasik facility and is expected to become operational by mid-2026. Currently, HAL operates 2 assembly lines for the Tejas Mk1A with a third line also at Nasik plant, set to begin production in March 2025. The third line is projected to increase the total annual production rate of 24 units. However, the IAF's order for an additional 97 jets has prompted HAL to enhance the capacity further. Next, HAL official confirms growing backlog of F404 engines for LCA Tejas. In an exclusive revelation, a Hindustan Aeronautics Limited official has confirmed that the backlog of F404 engines, which were to be supplied by General Electric, has now reached 26 units. This comes amidst ongoing challenges faced by GE in meeting the delivery schedules for these critical components for the light combat aircraft Tejas. According to the information shared, GE is set to deliver the first lot of 2 engines in March 2025. However, the plan to ramp up production by 2026 suggests that the backlog might not see significant reduction in the immediate future. The official further disclosed that the backlog is expected to swell to 30 units by mid-2025, reflecting the persistent production and supply chain issues at GE. Next, another major defense export deal with Indonesia over BrahMos missiles. India is on the brink of securing another significant defense export deal, this time with Indonesia for the BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles. According to sources close to the development, Indonesia's Ministry of Defense has dispatched a formal letter to the Indian embassy in Jakarta, indicating their interest in a $450 million deal for the BrahMos missile. The proposed transaction not only highlights India's growing stature in the global defense market but also underscores the strategic partnership between India and Indonesia. Next, HAL's combat air teaming system marks milestone with CATS Warrior. HAL has reached a pivotal moment in its flagship combat air teaming system, that is CATS project, with the successful engine ground run of the CATS Warrior full-scale demonstrator. This achievement underscores the collaborative synergy among HAL's various research and development centers, highlighting the integration of aircraft design by the Aircraft Research and Design Center, an indigenous mission computer from the System and Laboratory Research and Development Center, and an indigenous power plant from the Aero Engine Research and Development Center. The CATS Warrior, a key component of the air teaming concept, is designed to operate in concert with manned aircraft to enhance combat capabilities through a mix of manned and unmanned aerial vehicles. This successful ground run signifies that the project is advancing towards operational readiness, with the prototype aircraft scheduled to be unveiled at the upcoming Aero India 2025 exhibition. Next, China enhancing oxygen supply for troops on Tibetan Plateau near Indian border. In a move to reinforce its military capabilities along the tense border with India, Chinese troops stationed on the Tibetan Plateau are now equipped with enhanced oxygen supplies. This initiative comes as part of broader efforts to improve equipment, training, and logistics in the region, according to a report by the PLA Daily, the official newspaper of the People's Liberation Army. Next, Environment Ministry greenlights new ammunition storage facilities in eastern Ladakh. In a significant move to bolster military preparedness among the volatile border with China, the Environment Ministry of India has recently approved the establishment of multiple formation ammunition storage facilities in eastern Ladakh. This decision aims to enhance operational readiness and signify reduce the time required for ammunition withdrawal, thereby strengthening the strategic position in the region. Eastern Ladakh has been a focal point of military tension since the standoff in 2020, when both India and China have increased their military presence along the line of actual control. The region's harsh terrain and high altitude conditions make logistics and ammunition management particularly challenging. But the new FASF are set to address these issues by providing storage closer to potential conflict zones. Next, strengthening defense ties with Kazakhstan. On January 9th, 2025, India took a significant step towards strengthening its defense relations with Kazakhstan during a highly anticipated defense industry seminar held in Astana. The event, organized by the Embassy of India in Kazakhstan in collaboration with Kazakhstan Engineering and the Ministry of Defense of Kazakhstan, was a key moment for both nations to explore deeper cooperation in the defense sector. Next, multi-layer clothing system Himkavach clears users' trials, set to aid military operations. The DRDO has introduced the Himkavach multi-layer clothing system, specially designed to provide optimal protection in extreme cold weather conditions. The innovative clothing system has passed all user trials under actual operational conditions, proving its effectiveness for military operations in cold weather, particularly in the Himalayan region. Thank you.